Are you winging it in your speeches? Are you winging it in your presentations? Are you winging it in your virtual presentations? If so, stop. Do you know where the expression wing it came from? Most don't. It dates back to the middle 1880s, where it was a term used by those who were thespians or singers or dancers or those in the performance arts, where the wings of a performance stage were the left or right side of the stage that were usually covered by curtains in a dark corner so the audience couldn't see it. And if you were called to be on stage right before you're supposed to go on and you weren't prepared, you would go on that section of the wing to prepare your lines before you come out. That's why the term winging it is referring to just going off the cuff and being spontaneous. Stop winging it. Know what you want to say before you give your presentations, and you'll be more professional and you won't have to wing it.